Memorial Tower Site. This spot was commemorated during one of the most eventful weeks in the lives of Meherbaba and his close ones. In December of 1944, Baba had decided to celebrate Mehera's birthday for the first time publicly. One of the old Mandali, Baba's maternal uncle, Masaji, had been working to prepare for that celebration when he died of heart failure in his room in the old bungalow on December 19th. Baba and the Mandali carried his body from there in a coffin which was buried at the specified site. On December 21st, Arnavaz and Nariman Dada Chandji were married in Ahmednagar. Their uncle, Framrose Dada Chandji, Baba's first secretary, had died 4 months earlier in Kashmir. On the 23rd, Baba called the wedding guests and all his local followers to meet at the spot at Meherabad. Baba had Chandji bedding rule placed in a shallow pit which was dug next to Masaji's grave. Adi Senior then read a message that Baba had dictated for the occasion. The dedication of a future memorial tower commemorating the departed disciples of the Master. As Adi read each name from the list of the departed ones, Baba dropped a rose petal into the foundation pit. The next morning, Baba's brother, Adi Jr.'s wife, Gulu, died soon after giving birth to their son, Dara. Nonetheless, on the following day, December 25th, Mehera's birthday was festively celebrated as planned. In September 1954, a large pandal for temporary quarters was erected in this area for the men's meeting when Baba gave his final declaration.